Hi, I'm Erica, and I am someone who struggles with getting things done, but also taking time off. There's not really a middle ground, Erica. In lockdown, it is so much worse, like way worse. But there are a couple of things that have helped me be productive even in lockdown. Number 1, routine. I hate routine. It's a surefire way to get me nice and bored. But it's good to have something besides our own whims determine what we do in a day. Nowadays in the morning, I exercise and write in my journal before I even look at my phone, which is way healthier for me than what I used to do, which was a combination of play Animal Crossing and doom scroll Twitter. After that's done, I make a list of what I'm going to do during the day. That list is my routine. And because of the nature of my work right now, that list does change, keeping it fresh. But on it 3 to 5 times a week are practice, exercise, and chores. Yes, I did say 3 to 5 times. Wearing a panty. It's okay to have a little bit of leeway. Some neurotypical people might have a perfectly okay time instilling a routine in their day right now. But just be aware that it's okay for that routine to change, especially as we navigate this hellscape. Number 2, limit the argument. If you've got a deadline or if you've been putting something off, there are like 1,000,001 reasons not to do a thing. I know because I've tried all of them. Lately, I've noticed that if I have an argument with myself about whether I want to do something, it usually means I need to do the thing. So limit the argument. Let yourself have like 30 seconds of that inner dialogue and then do the thing. That way, not only have you accomplished something, but you've won that argument with yourself. You had the opportunity to slack and you didn't take it. Go you. Number 3, set a timer. As someone who gets kind of overwhelmed by her to-do list sometimes, I've taken to writing down how long my regular tasks take. I know now that doing the dishes takes between 5 and 10 minutes. Vacuuming takes 15 minutes. My morning run takes 20 minutes. But I write these things on my to-do list next to the thing I need to do. And it lets me know that the task is not going to take all day. And when you don't feel like doing things, it's a great hack. If you're working towards a specific deadline and you need to get things done, then maybe write in your to-do list, I have to work on this project for an hour a day, or 30 minutes in the morning, 30 minutes in the afternoon. By the end of the week, you will have done a lot. Number 4, don't try to be productive. Thinking about having to be productive for people who are experiencing anxiety or depression or ADHD, this can be an actual deterrent. We want to be able to achieve these things, so let's make it as easy as possible. When you make a list of things to do, if that's your process, don't feel like you need to do everything on the list. Or better still, make the list shorter so that it's manageable and you don't get overwhelmed. Maybe strike a balance between big tasks and small tasks. A big task being like finishing the essay that was due yesterday. A small thing might be taking out the trash. And if at the end of the day, you have completed more tasks than were on your list, just add them and cross them out. It feels like cheating, I know, but it's not. And if writing to-do lists makes you want to run away in terror, maybe try at the end of the day, writing a list of all the things that you did accomplish, including exercise and chores and taking breaks. It will put things into perspective for you, whether you did a little or a lot. Number 5, indulge yourself. Eating your favorite foods, watching your favorite show, playing your favorite video game, these things are really important. We're all depressed right now. All of us. Sure, it's a sliding scale, but none of us are 100% happy right now. And if you are, then I hate you. So if you need to stay in bed today, that's fine. But maybe when you get up to get a snack or you go to the bathroom, on your way back, you could take out the trash. Or you could sneakily put a load of laundry in. That way tomorrow you'll be able to say, wow, not only did yesterday I get some much needed rest, but I actually did some things I've been putting off. It helps a lot. I'd like to challenge everybody watching this to add a couple of these things to your life and see how you get on for the next week or two. And in the comments, let me know what worked and what didn't work for you. Maybe you've got other suggestions. As always, let's help each other out. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share this with someone who has a hard time getting stuff done.